Hey everyone, this is Demonic Miss, and today I'm going to do a video on how to use DoubleKiller to find your duplicates for The Sims 4. So I recently found out about this program, and it's super easy to use, super easy to download. I already have it, so this video assumes that you already have it downloaded. I will, however, post a link in the description below. So first you would open up the program, which for me is right there. So I'm going to double click that. And then you can't just tell it to run. The directory's empty, so it doesn't know where you want it to run to. I apologize if you hear the dogs barking. I also apologize about my throat. My throat's been kind of scratchy the past few days after doing a lot of talking aloud and being at the Renaissance Fair. So probably the pollen in the air did not help. And the dogs are barking because my boyfriend just got home from the store. You would click options, the little plus sign here, right? And since we're going specifically based on The Sims 4, we're going to go to where your Sims 4 mods are. So you can go Documents, go to Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, click Mods, and then tell it to run. Super easy. If it finds any duplicates, it will tell you, and then you can just tell it to like check the first dupes and delete the checked files or move them. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have no duplicate files found. Perfect. If you like this video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, share, and I hope you have a wonderful day.